In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the favoriting component from Superfields inside your Framer project. So first things first, you want to make sure that you've got your Superfields component connected to a collection list inside of Framer. Then go to the Superfields plugin and add in your favoriting component to your collection list itself, which sits off the canvas. So I'm just going to paste this in here. And now you will notice if I preview this without doing anything, what's it going to do is essentially start to make it so I can favorite or like or unlike items inside my collection. And then you'll notice if I reload this, it's going to always stay that way. Now, if I go back to my favoriting component here, we can style this to be however we want. So maybe I don't even want a background and I just want it to set the fill here. And essentially what this is doing is saving it to the browser, meaning if someone comes back to my website later on, they can still have their saved items. Now we can take this a step further and actually filter based on favoriting. So if you go to the Superfields plugin once again and paste in the filter component, we can actually set some controls here. So we'll go to setup and we're going to set the filter by favorites. And that's all we need to do. So if I preview this and if I turn this on, you'll notice that it's only going to show my favorited items. So then if I remove something, it's obviously going to disappear. So then I can select, say, I want these two as favorites, press on, and now it's only going to show these. And again, just like everything else inside of Superfields, it's all fully customizable. And that's how you add favoriting to your Framer project using Superfields.